Hello guys, today we're going to continue our Yandex mapkit tutorial. Today we are going to learn about how to control our map and how to make it functional. As you know, in our previous video I have told you how to configure our Yandex map in both Android and iOS, and let's see what we have from our previous lesson. Let's compile our code. Now, as you see, Yandex map is opened. We have did this, until this part in our previous video, and today we are going to learn about how to make our map interactive. I mean, how to zoom in, zoom out, and how to move to any specific position. We do like this. In order to do this, we have to make our this my homepage class stateful. In order to do these functionalities, it must be a stateful widget. And first of all, we are going to create a completer with Yandex map controller completer. Of course, it's completer. So in our Yandex map we have the method onMap created. With the help of this onMap created, we are going to have the method called onMap created. We are going to create this kind of method, and inside this method we will have completer dot future, not future but complete controller. With this code, we are going to connect our controller of Yandex mapkit to completer. Whenever we call the completer.future, then we will have the instance of Yandex map controller. So now we are going to use that completer, and we are going to first of all do the zoom in. For this we need scaffold widget, and Yandex mapkit will be in the body part of our scaffold. So scaffold has the method floating action button. Inside floating action button, I'm going to create two floating action buttons. That's why we need column. It has children, and we have floating action buttons. Inside floating action button, I'm going to have child. It will be icons dot add. I'm going to use add icon in order to show the zoom in, and I'm going to copy this code, and I'll have the remove in order to zoom out as usual. For zoom in, let's create a method called zoom in method. So for zoom out, this is also going to be method. Okay, the biggest question is how we can use our controller. Here we are going to create the Yandex controller, Yandex map controller, and it will be the completer dot future. We're gonna wait until we get response from completer. For zoom out also, we are going to copy this code. So here now we can use our controller. For zoom in, we have the function zoom in. With this only one line of code, we can zoom in. For zoom out also, controller dot zoom out. Now we are going to refresh our page, so it's shown at the top. So main exercise of this main exercise, it should be minimum. Now we need size box here with height of 16 in order to have some space between these two. Now let's check is it working or not. When we press zoom in, it's working. Now as you see, it's simple and it doesn't require any a lot of lines of code. You just have to use the controller, and it has the zoom in and zoom out method. By the way, whenever you are using map, you have to if you want to show the specific location when the map is created, you can do this on map created with the help of controller dot move to point. Point has required arguments, which is latitude and longitude. For this, let's write Tashkent lat long. Tashkent's latitude and longitude. Now longitude. Here we go. Now when we create our map and restart it, it will going to start from Tashkent. Now it's in Tashkent. So here you can control the zoom position also. Move to zoom. If you write zoom, you can write 16 or 18. If you write 10, it will be a lot far. Yeah, as you see, it's showing Tashkent. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you very much.